Okay, Dog on a Wednesday morning with Skippy. Say hi. That's it. I'm commenting on how clean the damn streets are. The sweeper went by this morning. I've been cleaning the sidewalks, but coming off of a heavy rain, it's not just here. 16th and Mission is clean as a whistle, and the entire block on the 16th, or on Mission from 16th north on the west side of the block, is usually ungodly horrible, and it's clean as a whistle today. A little bit of debris here, but look at how clean these streets are. I'm amazed. All the complaining in the Mission, and I was noting how clean the streets are. And this is Guerrero. What do you think? Huh, Skippy? You ready? Here we go again. Wasn't trying to give you the view of the building. I did accidentally, and it is an interesting building, isn't it? So this is the new museum of it's supposed to, I don't know what it's supposed to do. I thought it was supposed to be something to do with AI, but it's got me. Looks like just mixed tackle or something. But look at how clean this is. Come on, buddy. Come on. Who's in charge here, huh? Huh? I think I am. But look at this. Stay on the car. That cleanliness is amazing. One bag down here, I think, if it's not too gross, I'll pick it up and get it to the trash down at the end. Let's see how bad it is. Potatoes. So it's edible. Did I show you that? Yeah, here. Come on, come on. Hi, how you doing? Neighbors leaving. Yeah, go. I thought it was garbage. Not garbage. No. Neighbors leave things all the time. Oh, yeah. This is my block, 14th Street. That was one of my neighbors, I guess. You get to know people as you clean up. They come out and say thanks. He's a killer. Looks funny to see a little dog with a mask like that, but he did snap at that other dog the other day, and you know, I don't have a rabies tag for him, although I'm sure he's vaccinated. But we'll return that call when we get home to set up on the rabies thing. And I'm going to keep filming here because I'm so proud of how clean. 14th from Guerrero to Valencia. I mean, look at this. And people say the Mission is filthy. You should see 16th and Mission today. That's usually the worst place in the city, and it's spick and span. I don't know what happened. Maybe the rain inspired them. Here's something I can't help. Okay, I cannot carry a couch to the garbage on the corner, but I can push this basket. So. I think I fit the bill. I do too. That's my building over there. My window. If you get these things to the corner, you get anything to the corner by the trash, generally they'll pick them up. Sometimes they have to wait for a special pickup truck to do it. Just a minute. Okay, go ahead. So what do you say? I thought you wanted to stop. No stop. So now we got a full barrel, and that's kind of a handsome set of drawers. But I got plenty of drawers, right? Just bought 10 sets the other day. Okay, guy, you want to take a whiz, huh? Last chance. Hi. Come on, Skippy. Attaboy. Little gangster. That's our boss, huh? Yeah. 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 Walk on the curb. All right, enough of watching my dog. Bulldog out. Wednesday the 30th. Bye.